Your education here is not about just a job, it's really about launching your career and having unlimited possibilities. And so it's really important for us at Safran to be able to highlight all of the various career paths within our organization. We're super excited to partner with AIM. We're glad to be here, and we want to see where you go with your careers. Thank you all. Appreciate it.
We were able to host a career fair, show our students all the opportunities that they have, not only in the Metroplex of Dallas and Fort Worth, but across the country. One of the highlights of today was having the lovely company of Safran come out and do a scholarship for our students.
Safran's a global company that deals with multiple aspects within aviation, helicopters and turbine engines for those helicopters. Our students have the ability working with Safran to be able to go in there in multiple aspects of the organization, whether it's for repair and maintenance of existing engines, the creation and assembly of new ones coming out of the company. They're able to get in there, start their career, develop the skills and be successful within not only the aviation industry but the rotorcraft industry.
So the one thing that I really am excited about with this partnership is that both AIM and Safran are aligned when it comes to what matters most. It's about us really ensuring the success of those students who are graduating, that they've got careers that have lots of career path options. We have so many technicians who have joined Safran as a technician, have gone on to become technical experts, engineers, supervisors, managers, and beyond. And we're just really excited to be able to offer those types of career paths to the students that are graduating from AIM. So first, I just want to say a big thank you to the AIM leadership team. They've been incredibly supportive. There's just been a lot of support in terms of how we partner with each other and collaborate in the future, and we're really excited about what's to come.
Safran, thank you so much. Thank you for your commitment to Aviation Institute of Maintenance.
We appreciate everything you're doing and really look forward to what's coming next.